Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on Terra.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. As Louis said, we are going to be talking about Terra, also known as Terra Luna, or however you want to say it. And this is going to be an interesting video, and it's not financial advice, so always do your own research. And yeah,
So as we can see here, it's not a small coin at all. Luna has been talked about a lot. 17, almost $18 billion market cap. That is huge. And as you can see here, it's just been crazy growth in Q4. The start of around Q4, it's been crazy since then. It's just rocketed up. If we just look at how much money was flowing in around here, as you can see, the market cap was $2.5 billion before Q4, and then it went all the way up to $24 billion market cap. And obviously, we're having a long correction right now. But this is crazy, the adoption that's happened with Luna in the past few months. God knows where it can go. So let's look at its all-time high, which was 10 days ago, so it's currently breaking all-time highs. It was $50.77, and as you can see, we've had a huge pushback from then. So for it to go back to an all-time high, we'd need about another 7 billion, around $6 billion, about $6 billion to flow into the market for it to break its all-time high, which I definitely think is possible, because just look at this volume over here. Just in the past 24 hours, $1 billion has flowed into the market, which is obviously creating all of these, just creating all this volatility here just in the last 24 hours. It's crazy. Um, but if you're actually looking into buying this coin, I definitely recommend to get it from Binance or Qcoin. They are my top two. But yeah, let's get straight into the video.
as you guys can see, Terra currently has something called a programmable money for the internet, and you can spend, save, and stake like never before. And I was researching this last night, and I found out that you can stake your stable coins for 20%. It does fluctuate between 19.5% and 20%. So let's say a bear market does hit, you can put your stable coins and you can earn 20% on top of it, which is definitely amazing because you won't have to worry whether the stable coin price will go up or down because as you know, it's a stable coin. The price doesn't go up and down. That's the whole point. So yeah, it's definitely amazing to see what they're doing within the ecosystem. And it has caused a lot of people, a lot of new individuals to kind of get involved within this cryptocurrency and kind of get started and understand where this crypto can be going. So just from that alone, it has definitely made a lot of individuals more bullish. And well, for me, I'm definitely interested in the cryptocurrency, and I do think that it's got a lot of possibilities of it doing insane numbers. But yeah, it is a public blockchain protocol deploying a suite of algorithmic decentralized stablecoins which underpin a thriving ecosystem that brings DeFi to the masses. As you guys can see here, they have got different features on their cryptocurrency. They've got their own stablecoin as well, which is TUST or UST by itself. But once it's staked, it does become to TUST. So you can stake it on a website called Anchor Protocol, and they actually do provide a lot of nice staking services as well. Not just the APY staking coins on stable coins, they actually do provide you a variety of different stuff to do as well. So a lot of features, a lot of stuff that you guys need to look at, as it is quite interesting to see where and where they're actually heading in the upcoming future. And I do think it is positive. So keep that in mind when you're investing, because I do think this is a cryptocurrency that deserves to be in a top ranking, and that's why it is so much.
So as you can see here, the Terra Luna ecosystem is huge. So many different projects are building on Luna, as you can see, and it's all categorized over here. So as you can see, you've got the betting, so you got the gambling projects, you got the e-commerce projects, etc., etc. You got it all. You got literally everything you can think of to do with crypto, from metaverse to lottery to betting to investing to staking to insurance. There is everything. Everyone is building on Terra, which shows something. Especially the growth in the last 3-4 months, it's been crazy. So it really shows there is huge adoption coming to Terra, and it will be, or it is, a blue chip type of crypto project like Ethereum, Solana. It will be one of those. So this is now the end of the video. If you have enjoyed, please make sure you press that like button and also press that red subscribe button. It really helps us out, and we'd really appreciate it. And yeah, have a lovely rest of your